Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Dark blue color, sky blue color, yellow color, red color, green color, pink color, violet color, teal color, orange color, black color, maroon color, brown color. Today we'll try to learn some alphabets and numbers. A. A for avocado. B. B for box. C. C for caramel. D. D for door. E. E for egg. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for hand. I for ink. J. J for jelly. K. K for king. L. L for lotus. M. M for moon. N. N for nest. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Number 13. Number 14. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. O. O for ox. P. P for pen. Q. Q for queen. R. R for ring. S. S for sheep. T. T for teacher. U. U for unicorn. V. V for van. W. W for window. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yolk. Z. Z for zebra. Number 15. Number 16. Number 17. Number 18. Number 19. Number 20. Number 21. Number 22. Number 23. Number 24. Number 25. Number 26. OPQRSTU VWXY and Z. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos.